All right, good morning, everyone. How are you? How was your night? Welcome to my channel. Yeah, like as I promised yesterday concerning illustration on how to make some investment on the Hamster uh, crypto airdrop. Now, first and foremost, let's look at the illustration, and it goes to us. So, I told you yesterday. I told you yesterday that I made some investment, and this investment gives me profits um, every hour, and cumulatively the investment will only work for you for 3 hours. So you expect to always go back to your hamster to claim those rewards every 3 hours. You understand? You're supposed to go there. Now let's look at what my investment has done for me on this space. All right. So you click to log in. So let's see network come up now. Oh shit, I think I am out of, oh my gosh, sorry, my data was off. All right, it's coming up now. Okay, now let's see what this investment has done for me. Whoa, you see, a whooping sum of 1.85 M token was gathered yesterday after investing on them. Now what you're gonna do is you claim, say thank you Bybit, you claim, you see it's gonna add up. You can see, so that's what it was able to gather for me in 3 hours time. So, and how did I get here? It's because I was able to invest. Now look at this part. You see, it's because of my profit. All right, to boost your profit, you just have to buy some of this investment. You can see, look at this first one. I bought this one from level 0 to level 13. This what's it called, fans token, from 0 to level 13. See how much. If I'm going to move to the next level now, you're going to charge me 1.59 M. That's 1,590. That's 1,590,000 of those tokens that I've got in those points I've gathered. And look, just look. All these beans didn't get me here. A lot of hard work, a consistent gathering of points. So and reinvested those points. So once you need to understand that you cannot get these points in one day. So gather, invest, gather them, invest. Just keep recycling the motion. So now look at, I'm going to purchase this margin trading times 100. Now the price, what is going to cost me, is going to cost me 403,652 points. So I'll say go ahead. So watch. Go ahead. You see, I've purchased it. Now let's go back to my home page. You see my balance has reduced. Now look up here, look at this top screen. You can see where they write this profit per hour. Profit per hour. You can see that my profit per hour is 620,140. So every hour my investment yields me 620,140. So multiply this times 3 hours, you know what that's going to get. And this one I play just a start. And let me put it that way, because I'm still going to burn this 15 million. Yes, I'm still going to burn it to zero. I'm going to burn it just to increase this profit per hour. You are being judged by this profit per hour, not this 15 million whatever. This one is shit. So don't gather anything here. If you are gathering, you are wasting your time, because at the end of the day, you're not going to be judged by this 15 million. You're going to be judged by this profit per hour. Now look at, for example, to confirm my claim, I'm going to click on this 8/9. Now look at 8/9. You're going to see where I stand. Now you can see that my position on everybody. Look at this number one guy. This number one guys have his profit per hour is 1,337,125. You see, that is number one man in this whole of this hamster combat. Look at number two. Now me myself, I'm thinking I have something. Look at my profit per hour, 620,146. My position is 10,000 plus. I'm never even near anywhere. I didn't learn. So you see, so I have to put a lot of hard work. So if you are gathering points and you are thinking you need to invest, you need to burn it down, you need to burn it into investment. So let your investment start working for you so you can get something meaningful by the time they launch this coin. Now a quick one, don't forget every day when you log into this space, endeavor to claim your daily reward. Now click on earn. You can see this point that's indicated by red dot. Click on it. Let's go there. Let's see there. Then click on daily reward. Let's see what my daily reward. You see, I'm very consistent from day 1 to day 10. Now today is day 10. I'm going to claim 5M. You can see. So you click on claim. You click on claim. Let's go. You see. So I'll be rewarded with 5M. Now let's go back and check my balance if it has reflected or not. So you can see my balance has increased to 20M. You get it? So now this 20M, I'm gonna burn it down. So now let's place where we're gonna do this investment. Go to mine. Look at this down here. After this buy bits exchange, look at mine. This one is having this a digger. Click on it. Click on it. Now I'm going to go to special. This place is very, very special. You need to have something before you can get special. But I advise you, even if you don't have, look at, I see some other investments. Look at under PRO team. There are some that are very cheap that you can afford. Like me now, you see now most of my investments are already at level 15. So you can start small, be gathering small. I started small. I didn't get here in one day. So you need to understand that I didn't get here in one day. I started small. I was gathering. So you see all I've gathered so far here. Now let me look at this two factors indicators at level 14. I want to push it to level 15. So what is going to cost me is 332,000. So go ahead. I've purchased that investment. I've invested. Now look at this biz dev team. I'm at level 11. So I'm going to move to level 12. I'm going to buy. It's going to come to 21k. Go ahead. You see, it's loading. So please don't gather those points. Don't gather those points. Then you'll be happy that you are making something. You are making nothing. That's what in house we call it Aiki Banza. You understand? Because the job done is zero. Because at the end of the day, when they launch, you just end up, you see yourself having 100 million in your dashboard. At the end of the day, nothing. So I don't know. I think this is network. I'm coming. So let me change my network. Yeah. All right. Go ahead. Okay. All right, we're back on track. All right, you can see now I'm now at level 12, so I'm going to push this to level 15. So the minimum you should be aiming, the minimum any of your investment should be is at level 15 minimum, and as you are aiming higher, you go higher. So go ahead. I'm purchasing this. So you see, now I'm going to take it to level. It's at level 13 already. So I'm still going to go to look at it very biz dev team. Level 13, I'm going to take it to level 15. We're going to level 15. See, so this is level 14. So let's push it to level 15. Good. So at level 15, I'm going to be earning. You see, now at level 15, I'm going to be earning 1,250 tokens. Okay, let me points per hour. Let me use the word tokens. After distribution, that you can be addressing them as token. Right now, they're not yet token. They're just points. You understand? So now look at this other one. This is a partnership program. It's at level 11. I'm going to push it to level 15. You see, we're going to push it to level 15. We're going to level 15. This is level 12. Okay, level 13. So that's 12 already. So let's go. Just keep pushing. Burn down those points. They are shit points, man. If you keep them, you lose out. So bond them, invest them, man. So at 14 already, we're going to 15. We're going to 15. All right, all right, all right. This shit is not cheap, man. So you just have to work hard. Now you can see at level 15, this partnership program is going to be earning me 1,750 points per hour. 1,000. So there are a lot of them here. I don't want to waste our time on only this place there. I want to touch on some other areas. So there are a lot of them here. You just have to just keep going. You just have to keep going. Bond them. Bond them. So yesterday, you can see. So yesterday I was having 65M in this place. I was having 65M in this place. But right now you can see I'm at 19. I came down below. I came even more. I came even deeper yesterday. I ate deeper into this shit yesterday. So it's so at the point it's working, is still growing back. You can see how the investment is just counting. So you just have to take your time. You just have to accumulate, grow. You just have to grow. Now you can see my profit per hour is still at 622,150 because the things I bought, they're not expensive. They're not something that will give me much more points. So now let me take you higher. So let's go back to the mine again. Go back to the mine. Now let's go to special. Look at under you have market, we have PRO team, we have legal. We'll go to special. This way you have the big boys, the expensive guys, man. So now when you come to the special, go and check if there's a new card. Click on new card. Good. You can see there's a new card right here. This new card, this motherfucker is at level 0. So I'm going to push this guy to level 15 right away. So you see, you click, you buy. So you say join Hamster Kombat channel. You say go ahead. You buy. You see the sheet is counting. You see. Now the next thing is it has a timer. So I'm gonna push it to the next level. Alright, for the sake of this record, I'm not gonna waste our time right here. So all these are under the special. These are people I have purchased. These are cards I have purchased. So I'm going to take them after this video. After this record, I'm going to push these guys to level 15. I'm going to push all up to level 15. So I hope you do same too. You see, just keep pushing. Burn those sheets, man. Burn calories. Yeah, you can burn them. The calories. You don't have to keep them. They're toxic. You don't have to keep them. They are not your money. So you see this guy, just keep pushing them. I'm going to push the whole of these guys. I'm going to push it to level 15. So just want to increase my investment. You see, just keep pushing, man. So and when you push and on your dashboard, your points, those your hefty points have gone down. What you just take a break, accumulate more points again, then you reinvest. You can see some of these guys. They're in different levels now. Level 11, I'm still gonna purchase. See, just have to just invest. Just invest. Just invest. Don't keep those shit, man. They're gonna weigh you down. Just invest. Feel light. Get it. So like this ones, they are expired, but I was able to utilize them before they got expired. See, they are expired, man. I own this shit. I own this card. Yeah, I own this card. You see. Then this motherfucker is at level 11. And you see the price tag. For me to move to the next level, I have to spend 1 point something M. So look at it. I'm going to push this shit, man. You see. Now for me to move to the next level, I have to burn about 2 point something M of my points. So I'm still going to do that. Then look at this one. This special event. I'm going for it. So you see. Then take a look at this other one. Just have to this 1.4 M. Forget the weight. The weightier the investment, the weightier your profits, man. Take a look at this. This one 2.4 M. We're gonna burn down this shit, man. So you take a look at this. Burn it down. Don't keep them. Don't keep their weights, man. Don't have to keep them. Take a look at this. 1.2 M. Burn the shit down, man. Don't need to keep them. Don't need to keep them. Take a look at this. You don't need to keep them. Burn them. You see. Just keep pushing, just keep going, man. Just keep going. Under the special squad, buy as much as you can. Buy as much as you can. Buy as much. So let's return back to my dashboard. Let's see what's left. You see, you see, the 20M has gone down to 10M. This is what we're talking about, man. You just have to keep going. Now look at my profit per hour. It has increased to 651. 651. So every hour, this investment going to earn me 651,066 points. So if we multiply this by 3, you know what that is. You see, for the sake of this video, I don't want to waste much of your time. I'm just going to push them after this recording. So I think I've been able to illustrate. So you don't need to keep this 10 million. This 10 million is shit. If you sleep here and you get caught while the launching is being made, you go home with nothing. You just feel you've worked so hard. Not knowing you just wasted your time, man. So not that you wasted your hard-earned time. You know, time is money, but you've just wasted a whole lot of time doing nothing. So my advice, keep going. Yeah, keep going, keep farming, keep harvesting. We're gonna make something very beautiful from this airdrop update. So please, I want to beg you all. This is Laughter Prophet, and this is my channel. So kindly like, comment, subscribe, and share. Feel free to ask questions. Any question, if you don't understand, ask question on the comment section, and I'm gonna drop my phone number there. So in case you wish to talk to me personally, you can just subscribe, take a screenshot of your subscription, of the subscription page, send it to me on WhatsApp, and feel free to ask your questions. I'll be there to answer all your questions. Thank you very much. Have a great weekend. I am the Laughter Prophet, signing out. So in my next video, I'm gonna be dropping more updates on some other good airdrops that are gonna make us very good very good amount of money. So please follow me, turn on your notification bells, ensure you look out for my update. Thank you very much.